am so excited today to try out that CoverGirl foundation again and start with a clean face and give it a wear test throughout the day. So I don't even think I really ever have done a video like that, so I figured that'd be something fun to try. So I'm going to use the primer today and see, how the foundation holds up. So that inspired me today. I just got up and I was like, yes! I'm like just dying to put it on again and see, what the results are when you do a full, a normal makeup routine. So actually the first thing that I'm going to start with today, I just got this the other day at the store. This is the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. It feels so good on your skin, and I've been using it for the past few days, and I definitely feel like it does give you a glow too. But I really don't have dry skin, but my skin does get irritated. But regardless, this just feels amazing on your skin when you put it on. I'm gonna just let that soak in, and so I'll do my brows. So I'm just gonna do today like my normal makeup routine. A lot of times when you see my videos, I'm wearing a lot of makeup, which takes a lot of steps. Even takes me like it could take me an hour, 2 hours to do it. There's a lot in my normal like YouTube video makeup, and I wear a lot of makeup. That's actually why I don't really even show me doing the foundation, because I wear so much different products. But today I'm just going to show you like what I do on a normal everyday basis. And like I said, I was dying to try out that new CoverGirl foundation, the True Blend Matte Made. So that's why I got really inspired to try that today. So CoverGirl also did send me these brow products a few weeks ago, and I'm actually in shock because I actually do prefer their brow products to my more expensive. I still love my Anastasia, but this is amazing for filling in and doing that front part of your brows where you want it to look more natural. It's because it's actually not as pigmented. It's not as heavy, so it goes on very natural looking, and it's really amazing. And then I'll do the top. So I'm loving that, and then I'll just take a brow gel and just smooth them in place. So I did get this Morphe concealer, and this is like $5, maybe $6, and it really wasn't working for under my eyes because it's kind of dry. But when you use it as an eyeshadow base, I mean, it is just so amazing, and I couldn't be happier because I'm obsessed with using eyeshadow base. And this one is so much less expensive than, the MAC paint pot. But this is an amazing dupe, and I feel like it's the same thing pretty much. But this, okay, I just poked myself in the eyes, guys. I just poked myself in the eye, but I just love it so much. So another thing I was dying to tell you guys about, I used the Jennifer Lopez eyeshadow the other day, Rich Gold from Inglot, and it was so gorgeous. I was truly in shock. So I'm really excited to use it today and show you guys that it's such a gorgeous color for every day, but for any time, it's gorgeous. I just put together this little quad here, but this is Birkin from Anastasia, but you could use any. I didn't always do my eyes every day like this, but now I am, because it just makes me so happy. So now I'm just going to go in with that Jennifer Lopez Inglot shade, and it's just gorgeous. Oh, I hope you could see, like, oh my god, it is just absolutely stunning. I think I'm going to buy another one because I would never want to be without this color. So I really hope you could see, like, I just think that's so gorgeous, those little gold flecks. I just love it. And I'm just going to smudge some on the bottom. So I'm really excited now. I can try out this CoverGirl Skin Smoothing Primer. A product that I really love to use, and I do use it on a daily basis, is the BB cream from Too Faced. They don't make it anymore, but I love this BB cream so much. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the foundation finally. I'm dying. This is the whole point. I've been dying to play with this. So let's just go ahead and just put it right on. So I'm going to put a few pumps on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to go in with my, this is a Sephora foundation brush. I just can't get over this finish, guys. This is amazing. This is so, you know, mattifying and full coverage. I can't get over that finish. Oh my god, I really truly love this. And this color is just such a great match for me, L30. I love these contour sticks from Amazing Cosmetics. These are my favorite. It blends out into just such a gorgeous color. It's almost like a blush. So I'm just going to use this concealer that I got from Lancome. So I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder. I'm just going to take some of this CoverGirl powder in a darker shade and use that like as a bronzer. This is Buff Beige. I just think that's a gorgeous color. And put a little bit of a white shadow right in the tear duct. So guys, isn't this finish gorgeous? Oh my god. Guys, I normally don't wear lashes on an everyday basis, but today I'm feeling so extra. So I'm just loving this finish and this makeup so much. I just want to put on lashes. So I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll put on my outfit and then I'll be right. So guys, this is the finished look. I am literally so in shock. I can't believe this finish. It is just gorgeous. Oh my god, it's bizarre. So I went ahead and got dressed. I'm just wearing this Free People top. I added a little bit of MAC lip gloss, and so I'm gonna do a wear test today. I'm gonna go out and come back tonight and let you know how it goes. So it's about 3:50 right now. So I'm gonna just show you my whole outfit, and then I'll be back tonight and I'll let you know how it holds up. But oh my god, I'm so in love. So let me go ahead and just do a quick outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing this Free People top that I just got, and these are my Fashion Nova jeans. And this is the denim mini pleaty. So gorgeous. I love that mustard yellow suede lining. I mean, this bag is everything. But unfortunately though, I don't think they make it anymore. But pretty much it. I'll check back again tonight, guys, like I said, and show you my, how my wear test and how it holds up for me. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys tonight when I check back in. Guys, it is now 11:50 p.m. and this is where I'm at, guys. Oh my god, I just could not believe the finish. I love it. I love the finish. It was just, oh, so gorgeous all day. And so I was in the rain, actually, even, guys. It was raining out, so I did have my hood on, but there was definitely humidity and moisture in the air, and rain drizzling down on me. I was cooking dinner, I was making pasta, there was steam coming up out of the pot. So I've been doing a lot of stuff today, guys. Even I was like, this is a lot, because even when, do you guys ever heard of the phrase Italian facials, when you make pasta and all the steam comes up? That happened today, and this is still how we're looking. So I am beyond in love with this foundation. It felt amazing all day. It didn't cake up, it doesn't feel drying, it doesn't feel heavy, and I'm really in shock, guys, because I think I've purchased every foundation out there, because I've just been on a kick lately where I've been obsessed with foundation. And so I would compare this finish. It kind of reminds me, if you love Estee Lauder Double Wear, MAC Studio Fix, if you love a full coverage matte finish, I truly think you're just going to be so in love with this foundation. I know I am. I just love a flawless finish. I love a matte look. I love the porelessness of it. So I love it. I think it's just an absolutely gorgeous foundation. And so I couldn't be more happier. So thank you again to CoverGirl for sending it to me to try. I am more than in love. I also been wearing this Jennifer Lopez, the Inglot lipstick with the Inglot lip liner all day, and I love this too. I really love it. It stays really nice. I love it. So that's pretty much it. I'm so exhausted, so I'm gonna go to bed now. But this was so much fun. I never did one of these before, so a wear test. So I'm so happy I did it. hopefully I'll do more. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out, coming along with me. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.